Hello guys, so today I would like to talk about that what is Jabe. So in this video I talk about that what is Jabe and how it forms. See here, this is the definition of a bay. So a bay is a coastal body of water that is depressed and connected to another main water body such as lake, ocean or another bay. A gulf is a large bay and can also be referred to as a bight, sound or a sea. A bay is usually smaller and less enclosed than a gulf. So as you can see, this is a bay portion, and it is partially enclosed by land, and this portion is connected with the ocean. So bay is actually smaller than a gulf, and gulf is also known as ocean. Formation of a bay. So bays are formed in many ways like plate tectonics, the process of continents drifting together and drifting apart. The Bay of Bengal is the largest bay in the world, was formed by plate tectonics. Millions of years ago, the Indian subcontinent crashed into the massive Eurasian plate network. The Indian plate is subducting beneath the small Burma plate, forming the Sundra Trench. These plate tectonics activities causing the Bay of Bengal formed actually. Apart from this, bays are also found when the ocean overflows a coastline. See here, this is the Bay of Bengal. So this is the largest bay in the world, and this is enclosed by land from this portion, and this area is connected with the Indian Ocean. See here some example of bays around the world. So this is the Byron Bay, Australia, and this is the Jervis Bay. This is also from Australia. Some facts about a bay. So fjords are narrow bays formed by glacier. A glacier slices through the bedrock of an area, leaving a long steep canyon when it recedes. A smaller bay that has a circular inlet is called a cove, while steep bay that were shaped by glacial activities are known as fjords. A bay can either be nested with each other or can be an estuary of a river. So here is the example of a river bay. As you can see, this is the estuary of river. So this is the Chesapeake Bay, and as you can see, this is actually a river which is formed a bay before meeting to the ocean. So this is the inland part of this river, and by a single chain, this bay is actually meet to the ocean. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel and share to your friend group to updated with new videos like this.